Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully solved some of the issues. When you click at the send, then it will be display as a sending loading, this type of one of the animation, and also here when this form will be submitted, our total form will be reset, right? So now friend, in this video I want to update our this all that alert. So this alert should be here. I want to use some of the message, that means our toaster message. Okay, so maybe submitted some of the new form. You can see it submitted the new form. So I want to use some of the toaster message. So if you want to use that toaster message, simply they have another package. If you go to that React Toastify, okay, there is a React Toastify, one of the npm, you will get it. So now I want to do first of all install this package. So there is a React Toastify. You can see how much interactive it is. That is very nice, one of the things here, and also they have some of the all that instruction how to use it. They have some of the documentation. If you go to that documentation, you will get a lot of the things from here. Like first of all, I want to install it. I have to install it with the npm installed and then save React Toastify. I copy it, and then our project, that is our ecom, and that is our admin, right? So into the ecom, I want to open with the cmd. I want to install it as a npm install save React Toastify. So I press as a enter. So it will be downloaded all that file from to the internet. So it may take little time. Okay, it may take little time. Better when it will be done, then I will come back again. So friend, here you can see our Toastify package installed successfully. Okay, so here it's successfully installed. If you also want to check it, simply go to our package.json. Into the package.json, you can see there's a React Toastify is installed successfully. Great. So now I want to flow all the step, and if you go to their official website, so there is a documentation. Here you can see there is a documentation. So when you use, first of all, you have to use that toaster container, and there is a toaster, like where exactly the places you want to visible. If you want to visible into the top, and there is an info type, show it. You can see there is an info type, there is a warning type. There is a warning type. So when you use that warning, that will be as a toaster warning. When it should be used, or if you want to use that as a arrow type, click as a enter. You can see then that will be as a toaster error. Okay, and also for the success, that will be as a toaster success. Okay, so for the success, if you want to display, that will be display like that way. Okay. So now I want to use it. So they have the instruction I want to follow. First of all, in our this return dev area, we have to load this toaster container. I copy it, and now that is in our contact page. Here I want to display, right? I want to display it here. So after that container, before this fragment, here I want to load this toaster container. Perfect. And then also we have to take both of these, import the toaster React Toastify and then the React Toastify.css. I import both of these, I copy it, and then here, and then after this, okay, I want to load both of these. So now only we have to change that alert. Actually, here I have already used that alert, right? This that is all that our validation alert. So validation alert will be one of the arrow type. So for the arrow type, I have already checked it. If you select it, you can see that will be as a toaster error. So now I want to use that toaster error, and rest of this will be same. And if you also want to add that position, the auto, there is auto close, everything, you can actually use this type of one of the all that properties. So right now it's okay. I only want to use this. Okay, toaster error. Like that will be not that alert. That will, I make it as a toaster error. That will be a toaster error, toaster error, toaster error. Okay, so that will be toaster error, and also that is our success message. So for the success, if you select that as a success, for the success, that will be as a toaster success. Okay, I copy it. Now that will be as a, for the when it will be done, then it will be as a toaster success. Okay, success, and else that will be as a error. That means this toaster error, I want to use it in here for this toaster error, and also you can use it here. Okay, so that will be the toaster error. Perfect. So friend, that's all you have to do. Now let's check this out. Click as a save all, and all that our validation now should be displayed without this toaster error. Okay, now let's check this out. Go to our project. Now click as a refresh. How much easily we can do that work. I hope you like it very much. Like I make it as empty, send it, You can see there is please write your message. So now there is all that our alert will be visible with this toaster message. Okay, so I pass some of the message, and after that send it, write down your name. I pass that as a name, and then if you send it again, write down your email address. So I make it as a@gmail.com. and if you also check that out this validation, now send it, you can see it's also get this validation as invalid name. So name should be only the name, right? And when it will be done, then that will be display our success. So I have already checked everything that is with the toaster error. So now when it will be done, that will be as a toaster success. Now let's check this out. Click as a send. You can see now that is updated. That is now message sent successfully. So if you go now, click as a browse. Yeah, message sent successfully. I hope friend you like it very much. So you can also add some of the validation with not the validation, you can change that style position, the type from here. Okay, which is totally fine. So our everything is we successfully completed for the contact us page. So before go to more deep, that means before go to the more deep, I want to complete all that easy all that component part, like that is all that our purchase component, that is our privacy policy. Okay, so these data now I want to do to first of all get all the things from one table. So into the one table I want to actually add all that our these data. So from to this position I want to consume, first of all I want to check this every data with our postman, right? So that is our postman. So first of all with this I want to check all that our APIs, then we'll consume all the data and visible it in our front end. So how can do that work? In our next video I will show you that things with the live example. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.